since even in sleep the brain analyzes sounds, and the sleeper wakes up if the sound is unexpected or has a signal meaning. Name calling. A person may also be awakened by the absence of a sound, for example, if a night train, which constantly passes by his house at the same time, for some reason did not pass by. At the same time, the loud but familiar noise does not bother the person, which is known to anyone who has fallen asleep in the subway. Here, too, the snorer's brain does not perceive snoring as an unexpected sound.